Hello, kids.
Hi, ma'am. Good evening.
Good evening, Sarantam.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Could you all please turn on? Yes. Hi, Shreya.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Shreya. Good evening, Kanisha, right? Yeah. Please, all of you turn on. Could you all turn on? Yes. Yeah, Sananta, welcome. Yeah, bye, Kanisha. You can put your camera down so that I can see you clearly. Okay, that's nice. Okay, please, everybody, turn on. Nandini, Neeta, and Samyukta.
Hello, ma'am, Kritika. I'm
Yes.
actually Kenisha and Ira's parents.
Okay,
So,
okay.
and Nandini has the twin children who are also in eighth grade.
One second, one
So
second.
we,
Yeah, tell me, ma'am, again. Please, sorry.
yeah, I mean, our children are also just about to join. I have joined just in case wanted to know how it will go on.
Yes,
So,
yes,
is it
yes.
okay if I be there in the meeting?
No issues, no issues. You can be
Okay,
there.
okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah, okay. Nandini Mritul, can you please turn
Yeah,
off?
yeah, hi. So my I have two twin girls, Aditi and Neha.
Mm-hmm.
And do you want us to turn on our video?
Yeah, if the child can join, I'll just tell them how the, uh, you know, flow of this challenge would be.
Okay,
I'll have a quick intro about them and then I'll tell them the instructions on how to do it.
sure.
Amma?
Stop it. Don't.
Yeah. Yeah. Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Mm, yes, who is not turned on? Yeah, Samyukta. Yeah. All and I want Nandini Mritul kids to be turned on. Okay, quickly, I know Sunanta and I know Samyukta, Shreya, everybody. How about Kenisha? Kenisha and could you unmute and tell me in which grade you are in and whose name is Kenisha?
Ma'am, my name
Okay, good. You are in which grade, Kenisha?
8th.
Eighth standard. Very good. What about your friend or sister?
Ma'am, she's also in 8th.
Okay, both of them are in the eighth grade.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. What's your name?
Ma'am, my name's Ira.
E? Pardon?
Ira.
Ira. Very good. And what about Nandini? Could you turn on, please? Okay, sorry.
My children are not,
Here.
participating in this. I thought I will attend it.
Okay. Are they participating in the 21 days challenge or no?
What is this about? Actually, my friend just told me to just join the link without giving me much of a
Okay, this is about
info.
the 21-day challenge for the kids, especially to practice math. To
Oh,
get
okay.
rid of that math fear and practice math.
Okay, okay. I will just let them know and
Yeah, in
just
which grade the kids are in?
they're in eighth.
Yeah, that's good if they can join. It will be highly helpful for them. And parents and kids, it's especially for grade 7 and grade 8 kids, it will be of tremendous use for you all. And what I'm trying to do in this is how many of you are already packed with your school homeworks? How many of you? Especially Niketan kids, I know that, right? And others, how many of you are already packed? And you might be already having excuses that, ma'am, I don't have much time. How many of you give those excuses before even you start? Right? See, everybody's hands are raised like this. Okay, I know you all in the same pace, but like few of you know about me, but still I'm telling about myself for those who are joined newly. I'm Kritika. I'm a ME graduate, which means Masters in Engineering. I studied in Anna University, Chennai, which is in Chennai Gindi campus, and I'm a gold medalist over there. What I'm teaching right now, I worked in an MNC before my marriage, and after marriage, during my ME itself, I was teaching the Bachelor of Engineering students at that time. And my starting, like, it started like a passion when I was in ME. So after that marriage, I started teaching kids, and now I'm currently working as a math tutor for kids. Not only in India, I have kids in every region. Every region you name it, I might be having one kid from that, either in the past or current. I have handled students from US, UK, Netherlands, Singapore, Dubai, every region, New Zealand, Australia, every region you name it, I might have handled the kids from there. Okay. And in addition to that, I'm a life coach. I'm guiding the students on how to develop the habits. You know, since I was like a topper in my school days, it doesn't mean that I'm great in studies, because I'm not a born genius. There are certain principles all the toppers do, and especially in the current trend. When I was a kid, there was no distractions like you have. So you are in a different era, different generation. So there should be something specific you need to follow in order to come out of this highly busy schedule. Okay. So that's what I'm going to guide you on. I'm going to guide you on developing a habit so that you don't feel math as a burden. I want you to start liking math, and I want you to start taking up the stress that you will get in exams. Okay, Samyukta? Okay. So no more, I forgot, I gone blank. Okay, all these reasons, even the very great students who used to get 100 out of 100 gets this one thing called going blank during the exam. That's totally because of the fear. Sunanta, you are capable of scoring 100, possible, if you follow certain things. Okay. So what this session is all about is, I'm going to conduct a 21-day challenge. I don't want it to be a 21-day. Actually, I want it to be, it should be a lifelong practice. If you are not able to learn something new, okay, score high in that, okay, Kenisha, it means that you're not bad in that. You don't think that math will not come for me, I hate math, nothing like that. It's a matter of practice. If something feels hard for you, it means that you are learning it. But when you learn it, I want you to learn it in the correct way. If you do that, everything will become easy. Not only math, just like basketball. Okay, Sunanta? You're great in basketball, right? But I don't even play basketball. Almost like not even 10 times in my lifetime. Okay? So practice makes the perfection. Same, just like basketball, the math also works like that. Okay?
Okay.
Initially, everybody might be having a goal as getting 100 out of 100, or your parents might be having that goal, right? How many of you have your goal already like that? Yes, very good. In which one?
On both studies and basketball.
Okay, super. What about Shreya?
Studies and drawing.
Okay, what about Kenisha?
Studies.
Studies. So your goal is very vague. Okay, studies is a broader one. Basketball is a broader one. Okay, I want you to narrow down. Can you narrow down and tell me what exactly your goal in studies or in basketball or any other field? Your immediate short-term goal. I don't want your long-term goal. You might be having a goal as, say, for example, doctor or a famous engineer or a basketballer or IAS, whatever it is. That is your long-term goal. Your short-term goal to achieve that long-term goal. What is your immediate goal within 1 year? One by one.
I should just improve my three-pointer skills.
Which one?
Basketball.
In basketball. Okay. What about in studies?
I need to reduce the silly mistakes which I do in math.
Okay, math. Very good. What about, yeah, who can tell me?
Spelling errors.
Spelling errors, very good. Okay, Samyukta, that is a small thing. What is your goal? I'm asking. In 1 year, next year, by this time, how you want yourself to be? That is my question. Okay, very good, very great, very great. Then, yeah, Samyukta,
I'm not to procrastinate.
not
I want to
goal.
I want to achieve something in badminton.
Badminton,
Shuttle.
okay. Okay, very nice. Shreya, 1 year goal. Next year, you should say this, okay, this today I made this goal and I've achieved this. Something which you can achieve in 1 year.
I want to do good in studies and not do many know my tables better.
Okay. Okay. Doing good in studies is again an open goal. No specific thing. In 1 year, I want to master the multiplication table. That is a specific goal. Okay. So only multiplication, that is the only goal that you set for yourself?
No, there more I wanna draw more in my holidays.
Not again, no more. Okay, I want specific. I want to finish 10 of my masterpieces, something like that. Okay, create a goal for yourself. What about Kenisha?
Improving my grades.
Grades. In which subject?
Math.
Math, very great. How much score you expect by the end of the year in 8th grade?
Above 85%.
Above 85% is highly possible. You know, reaching 85 is very easy. From 85 to going to 90, 100, that's what you need to take more effort. Okay, that's very good. Whenever you keep a goal, make sure it is specific, it is time bound. Okay, no more vague goals. So to achieve your goal in studies particularly, I'm going to help you. The same procedure you can use it for any type of challenges or any type of goals. Okay, what I'm going to do in this 21 days starting from tomorrow is every day, especially for grade 7 and 8, and Shreya and Nakshatra, need not worry, I will be guiding you. Okay, since you are not in grade 8, but still I'll help you out. What I'll be doing is starting from tomorrow, your topic wise, I have chosen the topics which are a bit difficult for you. Okay, starting from your rational numbers for grade 8, I'm not covering integers as of now because rational numbers itself has integer concept in it. Okay, I'm going to take one specific concept in that and I'll be explaining it in a way that you can understand. Okay, clear? And I will be giving you the problem. It's not a daily live class because Samyukta will be free at one time. Shreya will be free at another time. Since it's a 21 days, I want a regular pattern for all of you. So what I'm planning is I will be sending a link. Okay, probably I may put it in the YouTube and I'll send you the link of the YouTube on how to do that with the formula. Everything I'll guide you. Okay, you have to just follow that and you have to do that only two problems. It might be difficult or it might be easy. That depends on you on how you take it. Okay, but a clear explanation of how to do that will be given for you, and I want you to practice that two problems by yourself. Let it go wrong, let it go right, don't mind about that. Okay, I just want you to focus on how can I do this step by step following the procedure given by me. Okay, that's the only thing you have to do. Clear? Next day, what I'll be doing is I'll be sending you the answers, how to do that problem. You can refer it whenever you're free and correct your answers. And I also will tell you how to do that and where the kids can usually make mistakes. That also I'll tell you so that you don't repeat that mistake by yourself. Clear? Everybody clear? And this will take every day, it will take minimum of 10 to 20 minutes probably, or it may take, so whatever the the link I'm sending you, if you feel that is time consuming, you can speed it up. You can keep it in 2x and watch it. Okay, nothing, I just want you to follow the instruction. It's up to you. You watch it in 1x or 2x or that is up to you. You can rewind it and see it also. That is up to you. But I want you to watch it. If you know the problem on how to do it already, go ahead and do it. Those who doesn't know how to do it, for them only I'm sending you the instructions on how to do it. Okay, this will take maximum, will keep it as half an hour. Okay, So every day in your schedule, I want you to allot 30 minutes. Okay, you all know your timetable, right? You by what time you come to your home after school. Suppose if you come to home by 5:30, you might be having classes and you will be finishing everything, right? And somewhere in that time, I want you to schedule 30 minutes of your time. Okay, just 30 minutes. If anybody can't solve that in 30 minutes, let me know. I'll tell you how to do that in 30 minutes. Okay. If anybody is going beyond 30 minutes, you let me know. I'll guide you on how to do it. Okay. Everything is clear? So every day I'll be sending you the link on how to do that problem plus the questions. Every day, say for example, 5 o'clock, I'll send you the link. Okay. If you're home by 5 o'clock, by what time you reach, Shreya? Reach your home every day?
Almost 3:30 or 3 o'clock.
3 o'clock. Okay, very good. So in that case, I'll try to send you the link by 3 p.m. itself. Everybody clear? So you can watch it from 3 p.m. to any time that is feasible for you. Okay, 3 to 8 we can keep it as, or 9. Before 9, because I don't encourage any kids to be awake after 10. Okay, so we'll keep the threshold as 9 to 10 maximum. Don't stay awake beyond that. Okay, somehow this 21 days you are doing something new. So initially you might feel that this is overburdening, or this is too much for you, or this is very hard for you. But if you're feeling that, that is the correct mentality you should be having. Because whenever we learn something new, our mind will resist. That means you are learning something new. It is good for you to follow. Okay. All of you clear? Anybody have any doubt in this process?
No, no, ma'am.
No? Anybody? If you have doubt, you can raise your hand. Anybody have doubt? Shreya, Sunanta, Kenisha, Sunanta? No, right? So this is, we already know that this is for very specific students who are already taking class. So our classes are different from this. Okay. This will be hard. Okay. This will be something you're practicing very new. Okay. I'm telling in advance, this is hard, but you can do it. Hard, but you are doing it. That especially for Shreya and Nakshatra, you're doing way advanced things, right? It may be hard, but you can do it. If anybody has doubt, ma'am, even after the explanation, even after seeing the questions, if everything I tried, but still I can't understand, I can't solve that, even with or without anybody's help, then also don't worry. Next day, I'll be sending you the answers on how to do that. Okay, just watch it. You will be getting it for sure. In 21 days, I have planned to cover your entire syllabus. Okay. So all the tips and tricks, all the things that you're learning in this, I'll be teaching you in the class regularly. Okay, that you can follow up. But as of now, just try to follow the everyday problem. Every day 2 questions will be there. Okay, the question may take 10 minutes also. The question may take 10 seconds also. The question may take half an hour also. It's according to your pace. Okay. Even after my explanation, if you still feel that, ma'am, it's difficult for me, need not even worry. Every Saturday or Sunday probably, we'll have a session especially for this. Okay. Whatever we have covered in this 7 days, you can give me a review on how it went, where you felt difficult, and all the discussions about the 7 days, we will have it on the one session, which we will have it weekly. Okay. Everybody clear with this? This is hard, but still how many of you are, I know I have conducted such things before. Many kids will drop in between. 21 days is not an easy thing. Every day you have to follow irrespective of Saturday, Sunday, exams, everything. But still how many of you will still like to follow this?
Me.
Me? How many of you? Raise your hands. Okay, very good, Sudanta. Shreya. Rohan, very good. Samyukta. and Kenisha. Kenisha, you are one or you both of your kids, both your sister and you. Are you twins?
No.
No. Okay, but there are two, both of you in 8th grade.
Yeah.
Okay, super, well and good. So you both can do it and send me the report. What is your other kid name? I mean, the other one's name? Ira. Ira.
Ira.
Ira.
Ira.
Okay. Okay. So both of you can participate. Where is she? Can she give me a confirmation? Very good. Super. Don't feel hard. How about others I know already? Kenisha and Ira, how about your math knowledge now? Like, how do you feel about it? Is it easy for you? Something you like it or something you don't like it? How is math for you both?
I find math easy, but then I struggle with algebra.
Okay, so do not worry. What about Kenisha?
Uh, I find geometry easy, but I mess up in algebra.
Okay, you know one thing, algebra is the most easiest topic of all the other topics. Trust me, it is the easiest one. It's just the patterns. Okay, don't worry, we'll make the topic easy for you. But as of now, just follow what I'm going to give you in this 21 days. It's hard, but you all can do it. If you can do this now, later on, everything will become easy for you. Not because of the math problems I'm saying, you are taking up a challenge and you are your mind is set to finish. That means you will develop a strong mind power, which will help you in any other task. Okay, any other task in your life. Okay, so everybody have your math journal, kids.
No, ma'am.
Please take it. I'll give you quickly 1 minute. Please take your math journal. Everybody take your math journal, please. Math journal is something that you can take a notebook. Okay, others know that what is math journals. Those who join newly, you can take simply a notebook and write whatever I'm saying.
Hi, Kritika.
Hi.
Now, is there any way I can get your number and maybe we can, I can talk to you later?
Yeah, sure.
So, can you
You
give
are
me
in
your
the
number?
group?
I do not. I got your link from my friend.
Okay.
So I don't know. Maybe she's in the group. I'm not too sure.
Okay.
Because
Yeah.
right now my children are in such a this thing that they don't want to take any help. But if in case they need help, maybe I can contact you.
Yeah.
So what's your number?
I have shared in the chat. Can you note it down from that?
Okay. Neeta, maybe you could get it for me later. I don't know how Neeta has got your link.
Okay. It is in the chat. Can you note it down so that we do not disturb
I
it?
am not part of any chat.
No, here in the Zoom chat.
Oh, in this
Zoom
chat.
chat.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. All right.
Yeah.
Yeah, Nandini, I have shared already to you.
Okay.
Because
Okay.
I got Kritika's number from one of our friends' group, school group. So just
Okay.
wanted to, get this 21 days habit of whatever the maths
Yes.
learning and all. I just wanted the children.
Okay. Sure.
Yeah. So I
So,
shared with you also. Yeah, I've sent her and then maybe she can send you the link also.
Sure.
okay,
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah,
Yeah.
thank you. So others, kids, please write it in your notebook. This seems to be very silly for you. What is his ma'am is giving all the this things, but still, trust me, it is powerful. Okay. Okay. Just write it. I'm safe. I can learn new things.
The math is my superpower.
Yes. See, if you're doing good in math, trust me, it will not only help you to get good scores, you will outsmart anybody else in your group. Okay, there is less space. Oops. My handwriting is bit bad. Please adjust. Okay. Maybe I'll change the color and write the next one here, fifth one. It seems to be silly, okay? When I was doing such things for myself, even I felt it to be very silly, okay? Even some days I didn't even follow this. At least you kids are following. I didn't believe this and I didn't follow it for a few days, okay? But when you do it for 21 days, it becomes one of you, okay? Please write everything.
I'm done.
Very good, super.
Done.
I'm safe. I want everybody to read it by yourself now. Okay. I need not read it loud. I want you to say it to yourself silently. I want you all to read it once. I'm safe. I can learn new things. Math is my superpower. I choose focus over distraction. I don't give up. I bounce back. I enjoy learning and growing every single day. Okay. Everybody wrote all these things. I've given especially for this math, saying, for example, the math is my superpower. These are all especially for math, but you can use it for anything in your life. If you want it for basketball, Samantha can give it for you, basketball. Okay. Say, instead of math, you can use it for basketball also. Shreya can use it for artwork. Okay, as per your choice. Okay, but as of now, since we are taking up 21 days challenge for math, I want you all to do it for math now. Okay, before you start every single session or after, like before you do it or after you do it, I want you to read this line and then start this. Especially the third point, I choose focus over distraction. So what happened is, I say half an hour, right, to complete this challenge. What do? You take your notebook, you keep your book next to you. Suddenly, your sister will come and disturb you, or your brother will come and disturb you. Okay, such things will happen. No matter what, that half an hour, you're going to keep a timer and you're going to do that without any distraction. Okay, without any distraction, I want you to try it for sure. For that 20 to 25 minutes, no distraction. 5 minutes, read this. 20 minutes, your fully focused work, and then take 5 minutes break. Clear? Okay, I'm not teaching math, especially here. I'm teaching a habit for you. This is how you have to study every other subject. First, understand what you're doing. What you're doing. And next 20 to 25 minutes is your deep work. And next 5 minutes is your break. Clear, kids?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Super. Shall I stop sharing this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Kenisha, have you noted all this? Both of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Yeah. So how many of you could you turn on Kenisha? It's whatever I have given you may look simple, may look silly, may look difficult. You might be having mixed thoughts in your mind. But trust me, who will do this for 21 days will develop a strong mental power. And if you do this for all the other subject, all the other extracurricular activities, for everything, if you do this, it will become a permanent habit for you. What we are creating in this 21 days is just rewiring your brain. Okay. We're not doing nothing much. But after 21 days, if you can extend it for further, it will become a part of you. It will become a permanent habit for you. Try to do your studies in this way. How many of you already attended the study skills workshop? Very good. How many of you are implementing it? How many of you are implementing still now, like mind maps, pictograms, keyword filtration, Pareto?
Careful notes.
Very good. So whenever you learn something, just you are getting a knowledge. But when you implement it, you understand it better. When you follow it regularly, it becomes a habit for you. Okay. So that's all. I'm not going to waste much of your time. Anybody have doubt in this 21 days? For this 21 days challenge? No, right? Okay, that's it. Just follow 5 minutes. I want you to read those lines that I have given for you. Read it once. 20 minutes of deep work. Just last 5 minutes is for revising what you are done. Okay. I want you to follow this 4 things. First 5 minutes, affirmations. Next to 20 to 25 minutes is your deep work. No distraction. No sister disturb, brother disturb. No drinking water, nothing. Keep everything ready. Do it. Last 5 minutes, revise or go through whatever you have done from the beginning. The 2 problems only. Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
all the links that I will be giving in the form of YouTube links. Okay. And every week, 3 weeks totally. Every week we will be having a group session like this today. Okay. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
How many of you ready? I want all of you to say thumbs up. Okay, ready? On the count of 1, 2, 3. How many of you ready? Ready? 1, 2. Okay, one second. Okay, ready? Okay, let's all show it one more time. I'll put it in the group of this. Okay, everybody can show thumbs up. How many of you ready? At the end, I'll be sharing this picture again. Whoever completes this. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's so nice. Okay, kids. So that's all for today. It's already more than 30 minutes. So thank you for this. Every day, 3 o'clock, I'll try to send between 3 to 4. Allot 30 minutes of your time someday in your schedule and finish this task as per what I say, not as per you wish, as per what I say. 5 minutes affirmations, then 20 minutes deep work, and last 5 minutes revising everything that you have done. Okay? Do it in this way. This time, first term exam, I'm looking for a tremendous results from all of you. You have to follow this till your exam and after your exam also. Okay. Okay, kids. See you. Bye. See you tomorrow with the link. Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, Kritika. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.